This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Hope you all can hear me. Am I audible to you all? Fine then. So we have covered all the charts, basic and advanced charts. Now we have to start with the dashboard and the story creation. Okay. So now, what is dashboard? We have created a charts in different sheet, right? We have created a charts in different sheet. When I have created in a different sheet, what should I do? All the charts what I have created, I have to display in one place. So to display those things in one place, how I'm going to use it? Okay, say here there are so many charts we have created. We have created so many charts. Now here, this is the chart it shows me. Okay, let me take one more content here. I'll take the location, region, drop it into filters, all. Okay, show me this filter. Yeah, so I've taken this. Now, how you want to take? You can take the filter option. Now, as of now, I have so many charts here which has been created. So, all the charts is in a different sheet. What I need, all these different charts which is displayed in different sheets, I need to take this all and show it in one place. Show it in one place. How to show this? How I'm going to get this data updated? Okay, for that, I'll be showing here, I'll be creating a dashboard. How to create a dashboard, right? So, if you see here, you may have all the charts created and you have an option here as new worksheet, new dashboard, new story. So, till now, we have created only the charts. Now, I'm going for this new dashboard. New dashboard. You can go here, you can click on this new dashboard, or here also you have an option, you can click on this. Now, as soon as you select this, see all the charts what we have created, this options is getting listed. Now next what I have to do, according to my requirement, might be product details in one place, customer details in one place, country details in one place. I need to display this. So for this, what I will do, I'm just going to take all the charts which is displayed here and show it updated here. I just need to update all the charts here. For this, you have two options here, tiles and floating. Tiles and floating. Now which to select here, right? Which option should be selected? Now look here, if I'm just selecting this, click, drag and drop, I got this data, see automatically it is taking. Then I'll take this one more chart, drag and drop, automatically it is adjusting its pace. I don't have to do it. So like this I don't want. It should not adjust. I will arrange, right? I will arrange how I need my chart. So now what I will do, I'll remove all this charts which is by default created. Instead of tiles, we'll go for floating. Floating. Now, in this first one, I'll take here as map in file I'm taking, clicking here. Okay, now I'll expand this map also. It is showing so congested. I'm expanding this map like this. And I have here another box which is saying me the segment. I don't want this, so I'll close it. I have a tab here for the filters. Okay, I'll put this also as a filter. If at all you want to change this view, you can change the view of your chart also. I'm changing this. Okay, so in case if I want here as multiple value list or drop down list, however you want, let me take here as multiple value drop down list so that I can adjust the place. Okay, now next one, what I'll do is I'll take a matrix and update here. Now you can see this is a matrix which is getting updated. If you want to make it bigger, smaller, you can do this. Okay, it depends on you how you want to show it. Then I take this bar chart and update here. This is how I will be showing my chart. If you want to make the changes, you can make it however you want. Okay, I've taken here 3 charts. So the same charts I've already shared with you. You can update in the same manner. I'll give you 2 minutes. Do it fast. Have you all done till here? Okay, now I'll again create the next dashboard, new dashboard. Okay, here, whichever the types of charts you want to take. Okay, so I'm going to take here the tree map. tree map I'll take. Then pie chart I'll take. Dual axis I'll take. See, this one coloring option I don't want it. This is a chart, this is enough. Now I just need to take the one which is with filter. I'll take the filter, drop it here. I have this filter button. This filter option you can show wherever you want. I'll just take this here. And I don't want this colors option. I'm removing it. So you can scroll and check. Okay, if at all you want to adjust the place and then take it, so what I'll do, I'll adjust this pie chart. Then I'll take this filters to this place and let me arrange the chart again properly by expanding to here. So this is what we have done. Again, you need one more chart. Yes, you can do. I'm creating another dashboard. I'll go here, new dashboard. Now this time, let me use all the advanced chart. I'll take sparkline, win or lost. Then multiple donut I'll take. This one true or false I don't want. I'm removing it. Let me place this here and increase the size of it. Okay. Then word cloud I'll bring here. How you want to do it, you can arrange in such a way, however you want. Okay, I just need to check one thing, whether I have added something in a word cloud or not. Or I'll minimize this word cloud. Okay, let it be. Take this word cloud. I'll take this region for the filter. Select all. Okay. Now here I'm taking as show filter. Now let me go for my dashboard. I'll remove this. Again, I'll take this word cloud, drop it here, increase this. I got this region. So region, I'll place it here by minimizing this chart. Again, I'll add one more dashboard. Taking here bar in bar chart. I have this measure names. Measure names I'm removing. I've just taken here bar in bar chart. Then I'll take the next one, lollipop chart. Okay, this I have done. Then I'll go for filter display I've taken here. This is what I have done. So I have created dashboard 1, dashboard 2, dashboard 3, dashboard 4. One compulsory what I have done is I have taken a filters option in all the dashboards. Okay, so you create 3 or 4 dashboard so that I'll proceed with the next step. Okay, do this. So now what I have done is I've taken this dashboard created here. Now go for this one, dashboard 1. Now look here, I have this filter. I'm taking here, I'm removing central and south, only east and west have taken. Okay, now what happened? Only this map is changing. Look at this carefully. I'm taking a central, I'm removing the east, I'm removing the west. Only map is changing, whereas this table, matrix table and a bar chart is not changing. So what should I do if I have to get these changes updated? You have see in this filter you have a drop down option, apply to workbook, apply, use all using related data source, all using this data source, selected worksheet, only this worksheet, all using this data source I'm taking. Now see what happens. I remove a central, look at the changes, I remove a south, You can see both all are changing. I remove south, I remove west, I remove east. Again, I'm selecting central and east. So you can see the changes, how it is happening. So to apply the changes in all the places, to all the places, we use this option. What you have to do is, in the filter drop down option, you have applied all using this data source. Okay, I'm again going for this dashboard. Okay, here also I'm taking this apply all using this data source, so that when I make a selection here, so office supply, technology, I'm removing only office supply. This is what I have. Okay, if I take here furniture, so how much I have in furniture, so this is what you have it, furniture, office supply, then you have a technology. Okay, like this all the data will change. So we just need to go for the filter option, click on this more options, select here apply all using this data source. Okay, I've done here in a second one. Okay, drop down, apply all using this data source. Same thing you have to do it in third one also. I've taken here also apply all using this data source, and fourth one here also we have to take the same thing. Okay, it will be done by default since we have done in one sheet, two sheets, it will be done here. So now what happened, I'm having everywhere. So like this you have to create product related data, country, state, region related data, sales related data, okay, order related data. Like this are different dashboards you have to create it. Once you create this, what happens, all these things will become your data. Now this is in where again the dashboards are in different sheets. I don't want it in a different sheets. What I need everything to be shown in one place. So we will go for the story, new story I will take, the story one. Now look at this, you have a charts also and with that dashboard also. Okay, whereas when you go for dashboard, you will only have charts option. I'm going to the story, dashboard one, drag and drop to the add caption, then dashboard two, second one, dashboard three, again I'm adding here, dashboard four. So now you can rename this. Okay, I can rename this as product performance. Just for namesake I'm giving, I didn't take purposely like this. Order and shipment performance, country and region, then sales and profit. Like this you can rename it. So if I click on this product, order and shipment, country and region, sales and profit, we can see like this. Okay, however you want, you can take this. Now I want you to create this whole dashboard and the story. Once after you create, you can let me know. Okay, I'm giving you 3 minutes, finish this and let me know. So students, you can say me whether you have done the story creation and dashboard creation. If any doubts, you can ask me in this dashboard and the story. See, if you respond, only then I can move further. I see only Medini always responding to my all the conversations classes. Okay, can I responding? Good, thank you. Okay. Now, see, I'm sharing you one of the link. Okay, I'm just giving you a link. So this is for the class feedback. The first one is also for the feedback, and the second one is also for your feedback. You can click on the link and post your feedback, like what was your opinion, how was the class, how you felt learning, anything, whatever your experiences. You can post that link by clicking on the link. Okay, I've given you a link, the last message, right? You can see that. Just respond to it. Once you have done, just give me a thumbs up so that I'll give you the next thing. We'll go for the revision. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. You can give a reviews. Okay, anything you have. So both the link, you can use it, you can post it. Take 5 minutes. After that, I'll start with the revision.
Just a doubt.
Tell me, ma'am.
In the form, there's section. What section are we supposed to mention, ma'am?
In case if you have a class section or something, you take it. If not, just pick randomly one and read it.
That's my point.
Students, if you have posted the reviews or the link which I've shared you, you can reply on our WhatsApp itself saying that you have posted. Just type it as done or give a thumbs up, react, do something so that I can understand whether you have posted it or not. And I also need the reviews to be posted on the second link which I've shared you. Okay, you can go for that and you can post your reviews in that also. Thank you. I see your okay. Yes.
Ma'am, for the MCQ exam, is there a question bank or what kind of questions will be there, ma'am?
MCQ will be given. Okay. With the MCQ, you will be having the options, four options. Okay, it is either four options or two options. Two options only in case of true or false. Okay, so when you are answering whether it is true or false, you will be having the two options. Other than that, it will be the same four questions. You can just go through that and answer it. Okay, there is no negative marking. You will lose marks if it is a wrong answer.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
I'll start with the revision with the MCQ kind of questions only. Okay, but I'm not going to give you an options, but I'll ask you a questions. You can reply to that. I'm just waiting for your response on replies, like how much you have posted for the reviews. I have got only Lynn saying that she has posted a review for the second link. Others also I'm waiting for your response. You can react it once it is done. Okay, so that I'll start your revision. let me start asking you questions. You can answer me. If you don't know, then I'll respond to you. Okay? So my first question is, say I have some values. I have some values. The cell is having, okay, the cell is having some date, time, and numbers, some text information. There are so many information. So among this information, there are few cells are empty also. Now I need to know which are the cells that are having only numbers. The cells which is having only numbers. In a rows and columns, I have a date, I have a time, I have a numbers, I have a decimal values, I have a string. String means the words, and I also have some empty cells. I just need to know how many cells are having only numbers. So which function you will use it?
Is it the search one and then you select float and then whatever is float will get selected?
No. You will use a function called count. First, we will start with the Excel. I'm starting with an Excel. Then I'll go with the next one. So it is in Excel. We have a function called as count. Count will do only the number of cells that is having the numbers. Count of cells which is having only numbers. Okay. The next question. Now I have a letters, I have a words in different cells. Some 5 to 6 cells or 3 4 cells I have a words. All this 5 to 6 cells what I'm having, I need to bring that in one cell. Okay, like you can take your name. Your name, each and every letter is in different cell. Okay, each and every letters is in different cell. Now all these different cell letters I have to show it in one cell. So which function you are going to use?
Merge.
Sorry,
Merge function, ma'am.
not merge. It is merge is a function which is by default available to merge the cells. Two, three cells we are combining. I have a letters. I have a letters. This letters I have to bring it together. It is concatenate. There is a function called as concatenate. You will be using concatenate. Okay, if not, you can use ampersand. What is ampersand? The and symbol, you can use it. Selecting each and every cell one by using an ampersand or concatenate function. You can put all the cells with information letters in one single cell. Okay, now say I have a column which is having the sales done for one entire month from just take it as January full month sales I'm having. So each day sales, I'm having each day sales, how much has happened. From this each day sales, what I need to know is wherever the sales has happened more than uh, 20 quantities each day. Wherever the sales is more than 20 quantities each day, that has to be marked in some colors. I need to highlight it. To highlight it with the colors, what you function you will use it. highlight the values whichever is greater than 20. So which function you are going to use? You have to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting to highlight the values greater than, lesser than, between, equals to, or some words which is having, some numbers which is having. So for these, we will be using conditional formatting. Okay, we will use conditional formatting to highlight the values. So next question. From the list of values, from the list of sales, I need to know what is the highest sales that has happened. Highest sales. For the highest sales, to find the highest sales in the entire month, the amount, which function you will use?
This is in Excel, right? You're still
Yes,
asking questions in
yes,
Excel.
yes. When I
Max.
start with the tableau, I'll tell you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Max.
Yes, max is the correct answer. Then, let me go for the next question. The next question is, if I need to know the least value, the lowest value in the selected range, then which function you select?
Minimum.
Minimum. Yes. Okay. In Excel, right? In Excel, which function is used to count the number of cells that are empty? The cells that are empty. Count blank. Yes. This is the correct answer. Yes. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see the chat box. Okay. Now, next question. If I need to rearrange the data in an ascending order or in a descending order, what option I have to use? Very good. Sort is the right answer. Then, what is the shortcut key to convert the data into a table format? What is the shortcut key to convert data into a table format? Control T. Control T is a shortcut key for converting table data into a table. go for the next question. To view the dashboard, okay, this is a presentation, wait. What is the shortcut key used to add a worksheet in Excel? In Excel, if you are adding a worksheet, what is the shortcut key? Control N is used for adding a new sheet, new Excel if you are opening. I want you have a Excel, you have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So in case if I have to add sheet 5 or sheet 6, what is the shortcut key to add that? That is my question. Okay, in
F11.
Excel, Shift F11. Shift F11
Oh,
is the right answer. Okay. And the same question, in case if you are adding a worksheet in Tableau, what is it? To add a worksheet in Tableau. It is Control M. In Excel, yeah, Control M. Good. Linen is right. So when we are working in Tableau, when we have multiple datas, we create a link between table 1 and table 2, the common fields, right? This common fields when we are creating, we call it as data blending or joins. So there was some option like left joint, right joint, inner joint, outer joint. In case if there is any question saying that can we perform all kinds of uh, data blending or joins, then the answer will be yes. Okay. So who is the founder of Tableau? Who is the founder of Tableau? You have a four people. Okay, four people's name: Crystal, Christian Cabot, Pat Addison, and that's all. Three peoples. So all the three peoples are the founders of Tableau software. Okay, and then they made a sale. Means this Tableau was acquired by one of the company. Which company acquired the Tableau? Yes, Salesforce is the right answer. Correct. Salesforce is the right answer. What do you mean by hierarchy? What is the meaning of hierarchy? So it is a method of navigating the data. It is a method of navigating data for the group of informations. Okay, so we have some values called as discrete in Tableau. What is this discrete is identified means in which color you will be having this discrete value. Discrete will be in which color? You have a dimension, you have a measures. Dimension is in one color, measures is in another color. So which color this will be having? Discrete. It will be in a blue color. Where can you apply global filters? Global filters means it can be applied for all the charts and dashboard. So it can be created in which place? Charts, that means worksheet, or in a dashboard or in a story where you can create this global filters. So it is in all the places we can create it. We can create in sheets, we can create in stories, we can create in dashboard. Okay. Which options cannot be added in the filters? Which options cannot be added to the filters in Tableau, particularly in Tableau? Answer is parameters. Parameters cannot be added to the filters option. Okay. What is the default aggregation method of calculation used for tree map? Tree map. I'm asking for the tableau. Used for tree map. It's total. Total is for sum. Sum is a function that is being used. Okay, if in case if there is any questions regarding the current version of Tableau, whichever you find the latest version, you can select that. Okay, and what is the term that is used in a Tableau? What is the term that is used in a Tableau to represent individual data element? Individual data element. It can be a text, it can be a number, or it can be a date. So individual data, if you are using, what you will consider it as? Yes, it is measures. The measures is a right answer. Okay, so let me go for the next question. If I have to allow a data to analyze based on my condition or criteria, based on my condition or a criteria, what do you call that as? if I want to calculate or to analyze, I'm just using Tableau features. If I'm going to allow to analyze data based on specific condition or criteria, then what it is called as analyzing for some information. I need to apply something. So what you will apply? Filters is wrong answer. Is to pick the data. Here I need to analyze. To analyze is calculation. So we have done calculating of new field. So the answer is calculation field. Okay, the next question. If I need to customize a group of data points based on specific condition. Okay, so features, listen carefully. If I need to allow or create customized group of data points based on specific criteria. Okay, you will be using sets. You will be using sets. We have created sets and groups, so it will be sets. The same question, if it is used for organizing and aggregating the measures, then the answer will be dimension. Okay, representing category data used for organizing and aggregating the measures, then it is the answer is measures. Okay, so what is the relationship of two tables is combined or defined in a database? Two tables, when I'm doing it, when I'm working on two tables, what you call it as? How do you make it as one data set? Yes, it is a joins. Right answer. What is a file extension of Tableau? What is a file extension of Tableau? It is TWBX. TWBX. What is the extension for your Excel? Yes, the extension is XLSX. Correct answer. Now, next question here. Is it possible to use measures in the same view to apply the multiple times in case if I want to do a sum, or if I need to do a average, or if I need to use minimum, maximum? All this calculation can I do multiple times in a same view, in a same screen? Answer must be yes or no. What is your answer? I'm repeating the question again. Is it possible? Yeah, answer is yes. Is it possible to use a measure in the same view for a multiple times for applying some Average, minimum, maximum calculations. Which type of software is an Excel? Which type of software is an Excel? Yes, the answer is spreadsheet. Correct. Answer is correct. Okay. Now, how many sheets you can add in an Excel? How many sheets you can add in an Excel? 225. No, the answer is not 225. It is 255. What is the shortcut key to apply filters in Excel? In Excel, we don't have it in Tableau. We have it in Excel. What is the shortcut key to apply filters in Excel? It is Control Shift L. Control Shift L is a key which is used for applying the filters in Excel. Next question. If I have to complete the quickly series of data, continuation of series like 1 to 100, even numbers, odd numbers, something like that, which option I have to use? Complete the series quickly in a data. Which option is used? Click and drag. No. Yes, click and drag. There is a word for it. Correct. You will click and drag. But what is the word for that? We call it as autofill. The term click and drag is called as autofill. Okay. The next question is, if I need to analyze and arrange the complex data in a simplified way, summarize data, analyze, arrange a complex data in a simplified way, okay, a summarized report, what option I can use it? You can do pivot table, or you can also call it as pivot table. Pivot table or pivot table, both are one and the same. You'll be using pivot table for analyzing and arranging the complex data. Okay. So next question, I've already asked this. I'm just repeating this question. What is the use of conditional formatting? What is the use of conditional formatting? To choose number. Yes, but how? We will be highlighting. Yes, highlighting the cells with the condition. That's the right answer. Then, what is this? To count the data based on some of my conditions, based on my criteria. Okay, based on some condition, if I'm counting some values, then which function I'll use? Yes, counting. Right answer. Always, if I'm applying any formulas, any function, it has to be started with any formulas or function. If I'm starting, it has to be started with, yes, answer is equals to. Yes. A visually representing a data, worksheet data is based on data. Okay, I've already given the answer. What is called as the intersection of rows and column is called as in a worksheet. The intersection of row and column in an Excel is called as cell. Right answer. See, there is a word Microsoft. There is a word Microsoft in a cell. I am going to use a function to start from the first. Microsoft Excel is a word in a cell. I need only micro as a word that has to be listed in my formula. So in my another cell. So which formula you will use? Word is Microsoft Excel. You need only micro as a word in a next cell. Which function you will use? You will use left function, not split, it is left function. To get the current data, current date, I'm asking you date, what function you will use? To get current date. Today's date if I want to see, what you will use? Which function you have to use it for current date? It is today. Today is used for date, now is used for date and time. You can refer the shortcut keys also. What is the shortcut key that is used for date and time? Okay, and also refer the logical function what and all we have, why it is used, and the shortcut keys of Excel which I have given in the beginning. Refer all those things. In case if you have any doubts, you can drop a questions in a chat box. Okay, few questions will be related to shortcut keys of Excel as well as Tableau. Refer all the shortcut keys. Okay. Okay, I think someone asked me a question stating that whether they have to join for the class tomorrow. You are not supposed to join for a class tomorrow, not required to join the class. You will be given a link to take an exam. You can take an exam by clicking on that link. Okay, only one attempt will be allowed. And second thing, most of them are also having an industrial visit. Once after you come from your industrial visit, you can take the exam by clicking on the link. Okay, but we have a timing, so make sure as soon as you can come, you can take the exam. Fine. Is it clear to everyone? Fine then. In that case, that's all for today. So no more classes. Enjoy yourself. Take exam tomorrow. Okay. Let's wind up the session for today.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, will the exam be on the same time tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. It is same timing, 6 to 7.
Okay, ma'am. It's like Google form, ma'am.
Yes, it's a Google form.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.